real life, you know, not a
Yes,
tourist
this is real life, exactly.
I bring it here because you like it.
This is the market.
Yes, and local market, not in
That's like the central point of any town, really.
all colors.
आपका दिख जाएगा मेरा भी लैंड हो जाएगा महाराज
Wait, hold, there's a tower right there.
You just go and take a photograph from here.
Yep.
Walk down here, please. Beautiful. Actually, what you want there?
Alright, I'm in the spice shop and I'm bringing some spices home, not to use in cooking, just for souvenirs. One, please. Alright, give me two. I'll take two. You give me two.
Yeah.
I want the Maharaja discount. I'm a Maharaja. Right, Bo Paul? You said I'm a Maharaja.
Give me the Maharaja discount.
I'm a Maharaja.
Discount.
So I want a Maharaja discount.
Yes.
Okay.
Local bazaar.
So what's the name of your spice shop? MG?
MG spices.
MG Spices, okay.
Local market.
In the local Jodhpur market. MG Spices.
And look, this picture.
Jaldi.
This is all from the USA people. All right, so you had some big celebrities here besides myself. Okay, good. All right, let's make it. Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal.
कैसे देखी?
All right, so you take those out. Mint. I don't want mint. No, that's okay.
Like me smell.
That's okay. Nice. It smells good.
Okra, cauliflower.
And now the clock tower.
1911.
1911. So it's about 100 years old, a little bit more.
That's called
All right.
Sardar Market, built by Maharaja Sardar Singh. 1911 clock tower. 1911. This is the Diwali. It's all the decoration.
Diwali, yes.
Stickers and flowers for the Diwali.
What time is it? 10 after 1. I have a 5-hour drive to Jodhpur. I like this market, I gotta say. This is one of my favorite markets. In Jodhpur, the blue city. Quite busy.